Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to try the Beauty Glazed makeup. So I have an eyeshadow palette, I also have a pressed glitter palette, and I also have a matte liquid lipstick set. So let's see how it goes. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy and as you can see I love makeup. Okay guys, so this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's called Color Fusion Over the Rainbow. And this is how it looks inside. As you can see, it's quite a colorful type of eyeshadow palette. It's quite thin, so I think it has 1.8 grams every eyeshadow. I'm not sure how many, I think there are 37. In here, this row in here, they're all shimmers and the rest are matte. It also says it's not tested on animals, so this is really good. It's made in China and you have all the ingredients on the back in here. Okay, so I'm gonna do some swatches as well. I'm gonna swatch the first row because I'm really curious if they're pigmented or not. The colors don't have any names. Okay, so we have a pink. Next one, it's a more deeper pink. These are all matte, by the way. Next I have a yellow. Yeah. Green. And the last one from the first row is this lilac. The swatches are not really great, but again, I'm not going to judge this palette after the swatches because I just want to see how it performs on my eyelid. Okay, so the next row I'm going to swatch are actually the shimmers because I'm really curious how the shimmers look like. And let's see if they're creamy or powdery. They seem creamy and they do swatch well. As you can see at the moment. I have two more. Yeah, actually the shimmers did swatch really nice. They seem creamy. The mattes, anyway, the first row seems a bit powdery and it didn't swatch really nice on the arm, but again, I want to see on my eyelids how they perform. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've added an eyeshadow base. I do this with every single eyeshadow palette I do, so it's fair to try it with an eyeshadow base. The first color I'm going in is gonna be this deep purple. Looks quite pigmented and has a bit of a fallout in the pan. It looks more like a really electric blue. Takes some time to build up this color, but the pigment is definitely there. Okay, next I'm going with this gorgeous orange in here, this shimmer. I don't want to do like a lot of crazy colors because I have to go in with the glitter as well. For my lower lash line, I'm going again with the same two colors. So I'm gonna start with this purple that I had on my eyelid. And on the other half I'm going with the orange. like I used on my lid. Okay guys, so next I have this glitter palette to test, and this is how it looks like. That's why I haven't done like more colors, because I want to do the glitter in between the colors. I think I'm going to use this gorgeous purple. Just going to add some glitter glue and I'll be right back. This is how it looks like. It's really pigmented. Yeah, seems alright. It's a bit more chunky and more drier than I expected. I've tested other glitters before and this seems a bit more drier, but it's alright. I'm gonna go now and finish the rest of my face. I do the other eye and then I'll come back because we have the last product to test, the lipsticks. Okay guys, I'm back. So the last thing I have to test is this Beauty Glazed matte liquid lipstick. This is a set and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna swatch every single color in here on my hand so you can see how they look. This is how they look like. They're quite tiny, but I don't mind. Most of the colors are nude, as you can see. So I'm gonna start with the lighter shade. So this is exposed. Comes with a mini applicator and they are quite pigmented. It feels creamy. So this was shade exposed. Next is Candy K and is this color in here. It's a bit more darker. I think I like this one. The next shade is Dolce K. It's a brown. It's quite nice. Then we have Cocoa K. It's a nude pink. Okay. We have Kristen. And is this cute pink. And the last shade we have a Leo, and is this a brown or a red? I'm confused. It's actually brownish red, as you can see. So yeah, I think the colors are quite cute, and I don't know which color should I use on my eye look. I think I'm gonna go with Candy K. Yeah, looks cute. What I like about this is it has this tiny applicator. As you can see, it's not quite a big applicator and you can actually draw your lips. I'm quite impressed. It looks nice, has pigment. Doesn't feel uncomfortable on the lips. There is not fully dried at the moment, and hopefully when it will, it feels a bit sticky at the moment, but this one dried already and seems to stay put, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go now and put some lashes on. I'm gonna fix this hair and I'll be back with the finished look and also my final opinion about this product. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now let's talk a bit about this product. I can say that maybe 8 out of 10. I mean, for the price, they're quite good. I mean, I really like the eyeshadow palette. It has really nice colors in it. As you can see, it's really pigmented. I'm really in love with this color. So yeah, for the amount of colors you get here, it's under £10, so what would you expect more anyway? About the pressed glitter, yeah, I mean, you don't use daily the glitters, and if you do, good for you, but this is just for special occasions, so I think it's fine. I mean, look, they didn't disturb the base or anything. I've used when I tested the Amazon kit, they had the glitter palette, and I've noticed even if I use that glitter palette separately as normally, it like creases and I don't know, it doesn't stay on. But these ones, they're quite nice. I mean, and lovely colors. Yeah, it's a good palette. And also the lipsticks, I'm quite surprised about them. I mean, this completely dried out and it doesn't crease, it doesn't transfer, so they're nice, they're comfortable on the lips, they don't feel drying or anything, and the colors are quite cute. I mean, they're not a huge packaging. Let me check how much has one. I should say on the back in here, 0.02 fluid ounces or 0.65 ml has one of this, so it's like a lash glue type of container and whatever. It's smaller, but I paid like £6 for all 6 of it, so it's absolutely fine. I mean, the quality is there, the pigment is there, so I think it's alright. I'm actually feeling this 90 vibes. I mean, the colors, the look itself, like I'm in the 90s again. Love it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, it will mean a lot for me. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.